Some of the signs are in your sleep, you constantly feel as though you are falling from a height. All the time. It's like you're sleeping an hour or two, you sleep, you're in deep sleep, and all of a sudden you feel that you're falling from a mountain. And you're about to go to the floor, and then you wake up. And you have this same kind of dream. Another one is that you have a black dog chasing you. You have snakes in your dreams. You know, these kind of things are common signs. Another is you don't like the Quran. It makes you not want to open the Quran. You don't like to listen to the Quran. The Quran is the shifa. The tradition or the way our messenger taught us is to read on yourself, do self-ruqya. And I will give you some ayats and things that you can read. Muwaddatayn are obviously things that you read. ثلاث مرات بعد صلاة الفجر وصلاة المغرب. You can read 3 times. You can read Falaq, Nas, you can read Ikhlas. Some of the scholars mentioned you can read Ya Ayyuhal Kafirun as well. 4 quotes. Then you can read like Bismillahi alladhi la yadurru ma ismihi shay'un fil ardi wa la fis sama'i wa huwa as-sami'ul 'alim. You can read this 3 times after Fajr, 3 times after Maghrib. You can read anything, Ayatul Kursi. You can read the last part of Surah Baqarah. Read these things and blow on yourself. Do not go to these people because it strengthens the magic and the dependence and the reliance on these kind of things.